Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. If you caught the hint in our last stop motion, then you will know that today we are making a version of Courtney's PAC-MAN lunch set. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to see more miniature crafting fun. Okay, let's get making! For the PAC-MAN lunchbox, we are reusing this cute LOL metal tin. Inside, it had stickers and jelly beans. Yummy! Begin by changing the colour to a bright yellow with spray paint. For the label on front, screenshot the image from AG's website, paste into a paint program and crop out the section you want for your personal use. Print out and adhere to the tin with matte Mod Podge. The handle is a white lolly stick. Bend it to make a U shape, then attach to the top of the lunchbox with a strong glue. Now to the food items. For the brownie, cut 4 rectangles of cardboard that are 4 by 2 centimeters. Stack and glue together. Cover with liquid glue, then wrap with tissue paper to give the brownie some texture. Next, paint a chocolate brown colour. For the sprinkles, cut super thin strips of coloured cardstock. While the paint is still wet, place your sprinkles on top. Set aside to dry. To package our brownie, cut a strip of clear packing tape and place the brownie in the middle. Pop another strip of tape on top and pinch firmly to seal the edges. Cut away the excess tape and your brownie is done. For the cheese puff container, start with a rectangle of poster board 3 by 18 centimeters and a small glue stick. Put glue on one side of your poster board, then roll it around the glue stick into a tube. Slide it off. Now punch or cut circles 2.5 centimeters in diameter. Glue 2 together for the base and attach to the bottom of the poster board tube. Stack and glue the other 4 discs for the lid. Generously coat the edge of this stack with glue, then wrap a thin strip of poster board around it. Using the glue cap really helped to keep the shape since the paper is so narrow. Paint your container a vibrant blue. And paint your lid yellow. For the label, we googled 80s cheese puff logos and thought this Planters brand worked well. Print and cut out and glue to your container. Moving on to the actual cheese puffs, squeeze drops of hot glue onto non-stick paper. We are using the 1 centimeter grid squares as a guide to keep them as uniformed as possible. When dry, flick off and hot glue 2 together to make a ball shape. Hot glue the balls into a cluster. Check to see they still fit inside the container. Our cluster had 10 cheese puffs. Paint orange. It may take a few coats before the colour is opaque. On to the sandwich. Draw a bread slice template and trace this with a toothpick onto tan and white craft foam. Cut out, then glue the pieces together. Using a tiny nail art brush, paint the crust using a red-brown shade of acrylic paint. With an X-Acto blade, cut the sandwich in half to have 2 cute triangle pieces, just like those from the American Girl set. Next up is the Thermos for Courtney's juice or soup. The bottle is made by gluing 2 small glue caps together. Now punch, stack and glue 10 circles 1.5 centimeters in diameter for the faux screw cap lid. Adhere to the top of the bottle. For the cup, we are using a plastic cap. Cut it down to be about 1.5 centimeters high. Since it needs to sit snugly over the thermos, we wrapped a narrow strip of computer paper around the lid. This time, apply glue to the outside of the strip so it attaches to the cup, not the lid. We cut a loop from a girl's spiral bangle for the cup handle and hot glued in place. Paint the cup and bottom of the bottle yellow. Paint the screw cap section silver. Just like the lunchbox, We screenshot the Pac-Man drink bottle image, paste it into a Word document and print it off on computer paper. Glue to the bottle and the set is complete.
School time! Can't forget this.
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Always Dolls. Thanks for watching!